Alright, so today we're working on this China brand pit bike. It was pretty expensive because I bought it off some poor dealer. Make sure you do something about this bolt because it just came out when we were riding up in the mountains. The bike was bought brand new. It would have been cheaper if I'd have known to just order it off of the internet. But yeah, bought it brand new. I used it last year. Haven't even changed out the brake-in fluid yet because it hasn't even been ridden long enough. The rear brakes were making noise, and then since we're gonna go riding again, I decided to take it apart. It's for my kids, and you can see that right there is what was making all this noise. Right there. This side looks, maybe it's about to join that side soon too, but hopefully it didn't damage the inside of this thing too bad. Here's the replacement. I'll put it on, and then I'll have to inspect the other pit bike for my other kid because it's also making noise too. Shit. Hopefully it doesn't do the same thing. Yep. Get this thing put back together, put some air in the tires, and say hello to Oreo. She's gonna be going camping with us this year too.